Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Richard Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, we're gonna talk about biggest gainer stock, Adaptimmune Therapeutics. So it's a biotech stock. They are doing research on a drug, creating a drug that can cure cancer, a range of cancer. So, if this is your first time to our channel, welcome to Richard Insider. We talk about business, finance, economics, real estate, stock investment, how to make more money and succeed in life. If you want to make more money and succeed in life, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell and turn on the post notifications, then you do not miss any of our videos. Okay, let's get to our today's topic. So this is a company listed on Nasdaq. Um, its symbol is ADAB. So this is from UK company, founded in 2008. Look at this one. It's all flat. What happened right here? On Thursday, it closed at 486. Then after that, Friday, it closed at 1107. It's twice jump. Let's look at 1 month. It doesn't move. It's slowly going up. 6 months. Yep. 1 year. Look at it. It used to be $1.26. That's a really big. If you had just bought it here, for January, and you hold it for 5 months, your money is like 10 times. That's a lot of money. But if you look at the long-term trend, basically it started at 1718, then went up to 2024. Looks like that's the highest it ever won. And it just went down a little bit, then went up again to 12. You see, I can just imagine if you bought it at $20 and you lost $8. You lost, it became $8. So within a couple of weeks, uh, July, a couple of months, 3 4 months, and it went down further. And you when you start to have a little bit of hope, going up, then it drop again. Look at 0.73. So 73 cents. That's nothing. Then go up again. So this is a mid cap stock. So it's 8.64 billion market capitalization. So market cap is simply where you multiply the number of shares with the share price. Then you get market cap. So the previous close $4.86 and 52 is no 71 cents. 52 is high, it's $12.77. So this is like high risk, high return stock to trade. I would not invest in this stock because if you try to put a straight line from the top here, it just goes down. It's a downtrending stock over 5 years. It's not going up, it's just going down. So it's not a good stock to invest. Okay, let's look at what's going on. Let's read the news. Why did it jump by 2 times? Okay, look at this one. Adaptimmune stock doubles for positive cancer drug data. So shares of biotech found nearly the base price Friday morning after presented positive data on its experimental cell therapy, which is designed to treat a range of cancer. The company said that trials of SPEAR T cell therapy, that's the name. So SPEAR T cell therapy shows a 50% response rate in patients with synovial sarcoma. So what does it mean? I only Google synovial sarcoma. Synovial sarcoma is a rare type of cancer. It affects tissue which can connect, support, surround bones, and organs in your body. These may include muscles, blah blah blah. So very few people get this. So this is not a very widespread disease. This is a very rare type of cancer. So if bad, the good that's the bad news. When you have a drug try to cure the type of cancer that is so rare, you're not gonna make money. You're not gonna make money because drug testing, development, invention takes years. You there are a few phases: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. That also could involve human trials, and the FDA also have to approve your drug. But once your drug is successful, FDA approves it, you need to patent your drug for like 20 years, 30 years, whatever you can get. The higher you can get, the better it is, because these companies put a lot of money into research developments. So it's not 100% sure that they're gonna come up with really, really successful drugs. So they need to do like 4 or 5 drugs at the same time, to be successful in their business. So, but if they only have one type of cancer, it's not gonna be commercially feasible. But look at this one. The company also reported confirmed responses in lung cancer disease, and previous reported confirmed reports in the head and neck cancer patients. So looks like this one not only good for synovial sarcoma, but also good for lung cancer patients and head and neck cancer patients. So this is great, because now it can cure more people. More people means the more target audience market size. So that's gonna be expect to launch in US in 2022. Look at it, it's 2 years. 2 years that can be said it will now begin phase 2 trial T-cell therapy in esophageal gastric junction cancer early next year. So phase 2 hasn't started yet, it's gonna start next year. So look at it, 6 months to next year, and also there's 2022. So this can change, this can get pushed back depending on the result if they are not successful. So a drug takes about at least 3 years to develop, 3, 4, 5 years. It can be 10 years to develop. So it's a very risky business. Biotech is very risky, because if you happen to be a company that fails over and over again, you cannot come up with a successful drugs. Then who's gonna pay you money? Nobody's gonna pay you money. But so the biotech companies, successful ones, are the ones who have a few or several drugs that they can market all the time. So yeah, so that's it. So basically, so this is a low mid cap stock. So it jumped twice because it's a great news. It is really great news, And in 2022, but the timeline is too long. Yeah, so there are a lot of risks involved. If you just think about investing. Personally, I'm not gonna invest. I don't think that it's gonna be good for trading, because after today twice jump, when the market opens again on Monday, it may drop. Most likely it may drop, because those people who bought it here has been waiting for this chance to cut losses. Yeah, similarly, those who bought it here waited at this time so that it can go further up. So if they see that the stop loss up by this much, these people who bought it here and these people who bought it here, they're gonna sell their stocks. They don't care, because they've been waiting for so long and this company hasn't moved. So most likely that's what's gonna happen with this stock. Okay, let's go. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, share this video, and hit the thumbs up, and I will really appreciate it. So as appreciation, you can get free stars and audiobooks in the description comment below. And you can make a call if you want to discuss about business, finance, and stocks. Make a consultation calls. There are free audio gifts for you in downstairs. Every CEO reads about 60 books a year, and 5 books a month, and 1 book every week. So average American reads only about 1 book the whole year. So that's a big difference. So that's why CEO makes a lot of money. And you can get 3 free stars like Facebook, Apple, Snap, Zone. If you deposit $100 in both companies, you could get 3 free stars. And if you want to get a license, real estate agent license, so you can get it here. I'm gonna put the link below. And if you want the interest-free loan for 14 to 18 months, you can click on it. You look at the terms and conditions and open an account. Once you get it, that's great. You can start using credit card. If you're paying more than $15 per month on the mobile plans, then you're paying too much. If they get this mobile plan unlimited uh, data, talking, and testing, so even the Hollywood and Rhinos love it. So if you're thinking about traveling, I'm gonna give you free nice stays. So make sure you click the link below. Okay, if you have any questions, leave your voicemail on Instagram or Facebook. I will get back to you as soon as possible. So write down what you learned below. So, if you listen to the video, you might remember for a day, but if you write it down, you're gonna remember a for a long time. So it's really important what you learn. You can put it down below what you learn about this video, and make sure you subscribe and see first, and like and see first, and follow Instagram. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video lesson. Bye bye.